Alright, number 4, we're going to put both of these in slope-intercept form. One of them is almost there, the second one, but the first one we're going to do a little work. Negative 5y is less than negative 6x plus 45. Okay, so we're going to divide by negative 5. What you have to remember, when you divide by negative, all the signs change, including the inequality. So this will now be y. This will flip to become greater than. Negative over negative will be a positive, so 6 over 5x. And then 45 divided by negative 5 will give us a negative 9. So here's this equation in slope-intercept form. And the other equation, negative y, is greater than or equal to 4x minus 6. Alright, we can't have a negative y, so we have to divide everything by negative 1. Or you could say multiply by negative 1. It does the same thing. And this will now become a positive y. This sign gets flipped because we divided by negative. So this is now less than or equal to. This will be negative 4x. And negative over negative will be a positive 6. So here are our two equations. We're going to graph them both in slope-intercept form, using the slope to plot our first and second point, or the slope and the y-intercept. So for this first equation here, we are going to have a dotted line. Y-intercept, one point is 0, negative 9. So dotted line, 0, negative 9. Alright, so we're going to go down to 0, negative 9 here. And then we're going to use our slope, which is 6 over 5, positive, both. So we're going to go up 6. So negative 9 will put us at negative 3. And then we're going to go right 5. So this point here. That would be negative, that would be positive 5, negative 3 in that order. Positive 5 for x, negative 3 for y. And that will give us our graph. And this says greater than, so we're going to shade above the line, so that would be A. Alright, on our second equation, we've already solved it. So this one is going to be a solid line. It has equal to, so solid. Our y-intercept is 6, so the ordered pair is 0 for x and 6 for y. And then we're going to find our other point. So if we go to positive 6, and as a fraction you want to think negative 4 over 1, we would have to go down 4, put us at 2, and then right 1. So this ordered pair is positive 1, positive 2. Alright, and then this one says less than. So think if we're going up, we're above the line, less than will be below. So that will be this section C over here. Less than. Okay, so now we want to find the section that fits both. So this first equation we were shading above, up here. So it would shade everything on this side of the line. The second line we were shading below, so it's going to shade just this part. So the part they overlap would be this left side, which is B. Kind of hard to see because it's right there on the number line. This is A, this is B, C, and D. So we want section B. That's the part that's going to have shading on both. So we're going to do B.